Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to allow or block automatic file downloads for apps in Windows 10. So if you want to go ahead and do this, the first thing that you need to do is to locate first the settings of your device. So as you can see, we're currently onto the settings already. And once you're already in here onto the left side, you'll need to scroll down until you should be able to see in here the privacy and security. So you'll have to click onto privacy and security for that. And here onto the right side, you need to scroll down until you could find in the app's permission. So just scroll down again in here until you should be able to find in here the automatic file downloads. So this is where you could go ahead and ask or seek the permissions for the file downloads of the apps on your Windows 10. Now, onto the settings, as you can see, Windows can automatically download files from your online storage provider for apps that request them. If you block any of those apps from requesting automatic file downloads, then you can allow them in here again to make that request. So if you have recently tried to block something already onto your downloads, then this is where you could go ahead and click on to allow again in here to allow the previously blocked apps to ask your permission to download those files again. So you could just simply click on to allow. And as of the moment, I don't have a blocked file. That is why the allow button is grayed out. But if you do onto your end, then you should be able to click onto the allow button in here to proceed. And that is just basically it onto how to unlock or block automatic file downloads for apps in Windows 10. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.